Hello everyone, today is an interesting day in the farm because I'm going to fire up the little Super A. Oh, it's springtime. It's time to get this little jitney going. So let's get her running. Let's get her out for the season. It's always fun to get her running. So, the first time you fire up, you always want to make sure it's in neutral. You're going to probably have to choke it. We had this thing on a battery tender almost all winter. We've got new rubber on it. It needs a little bit of paint and TLC up in this area, as you can see. I'm going to be working on the rims, getting them done. I'm going to spray paint up the exhaust if we can this year, but we'll see if we can get her going. So I got fuel in it, I know that. So, oh boy, hopefully she got enough battery to get her turned. Come on, little jitney. Pull that back a little bit. Come on. Oh, she's cold. She's cold. Well, Grant, we got to get her running first, so give me a second. Just let me see what I can do. I got to make sure the fuel's on. I got to make sure we're giving her go-go juice. So,
I like it.
Yeah, it does. So why don't we push in that choke so we don't over-choke it and see if we can get her to run. There, she's coming alive. She's gonna run, Grant. Go chase ourselves down a pony, huh? Oh yeah, feels good to be back up in the driver's seat. They're gonna take the pony out, put one of the Pertrons Toby on the Pioneer, and we'll go chase behind a little bit in the Super A. Gosh, she feels good to be out rolling. First day of 2024 on the Super A, huh? How you doing back there?
Good.
You riding shotgun?
Yes.
About 55 degrees, almost 60 up here with a pretty decent wind. So we're gonna just take it out and enjoy it. Let's see if the hydraulics are running enough. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Perfect. I always kind of like to break things in a little slow if I can. Let her warm up a bit. See if we can get the water temperature up. Likes to purr in third and really lug her down. Third is kind of a neat gear. She really lugs down. Yeah, there's my son waving to us up there. Yeah, there he is. Yeah, he's enjoying the pony ride. love this little guys. It always bleed a little red. Day out, folks. You can't help but not want to go around again on these tractors, and they're going to do the same thing on the horses. So we'll give them a minute and then we'll go do it again, because sometimes, heck, it's just fun. Let's put her in second. Let's go follow on. You couldn't ask for a better day. Just beautiful up here. We'll see what the outside trail's like, Grant, for condition here. We'll see how muddy it is along the outside edge. We had about 2.5 inches of rain here in the last week and a half, so things are just starting to grow out in the field. Ah, pretty view. Stuck a turkey just over there about a week and a half ago. Well, the ground's not too bad in here. Oh, look at that, there's a bunny. the homestead from a distance, folks. Couldn't ask for a better night. Fire up the little Super A. Make the Farmall, burn some gasoline. Watch the ponies pull the kids. What a wonderful night. I sure hope you're enjoying your weekend too. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and keep following along on our great channel, folks. We need all the support we can always get. And don't forget, bleed a little red at times.